Welcome everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. Today in a video I am going to talk about my mind goes blank while I have to speak in English. I don't have a word while I have to talk with someone. So in this video I am going to tell you in which technique that you follow and you will definitely overcome this problem. First of all, I just want to tell you that if you are thinking that you don't have a much knowledge of vocabulary, that is the only reason you are totally blank while you have to speak in English, while you need to talk with someone in English. No, that is not right. The reason behind this is your hesitation. You know, at least you know the vocabulary word that is important. You don't need any much vocabulary word. You just need any few primary vocabulary word that is important to speak in English. But the reason that we are very fear because of hesitation, because of lack of confidence. And I just want to tell you, if you can speak anything in Hindi, you will definitely speak that thing in English also. And I know about that because it's just because of our hesitation we can't capable to speak in English. But if I am telling you, I am giving you example, you can also speak in English also. For example, suppose that ये बहुत सुंदर लड़की है. This is a beautiful girl. So is it really easy? So I just want to tell you, if you really want that you can you can overcome your fear of speaking in English, you have to sure that you can capable of speaking anything, whatever you are speaking in Hindi, you can speak that thing in English also. That is the most important thing. Now I am going to tell you few techniques that really help you to overcome this problem. The first technique I am going to talk about that is called mirror technique. Mirror technique, what you have to do, you just need to stand in front of the mirror and close your door. Because if someone is with you, you feel very lack of confidence, you feel very hesitate. So it's better for you to speak English in front of the mirror when you are alone, or you just need to close your door. But remember one thing, while you are practicing, while you are speaking in English, don't go back to your mother tongue. Maybe for few minutes you feel that, oh, it is really tough, I need to speak in Hindi. No, that is not. That is disrespect of learning English. That is, you are not honest with yourself. If you really want to speak in English, if you really want that you can overcome this problem, you have to speak in English at least for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But you have to be consistent about this. The second technique I am going to consider, you just need to put earphone and start it to listen any music. And now you have to speak in English and record your voice. Why I am saying this? Because when you are listen any song, you can't listen your English practicing, English speaking practice. You can't feel very nervous, you can't feel very hesitate because you can't hear your voice. So that is a very important technique, and that technique followed by most of the person in the world, most of the expert in the world. But you just need to put earphone and record your voice. You just need to listen any song and record your voice in English. What you have to do when you finish to record your voice, you just need to close the song and listen what you have said. Then you realize that now you don't have listened your voice. That's why you not hesitate and you feel that you can speak in English very well because you don't feel any stress. So just try to this technique also. Third, very important thing I want to mention that don't try to use very advanced vocabulary word. Don't try to use any very fancy vocabulary word. If you feel that if you are using very advanced vocabulary word, you feel you look very attractive. That is not right. If you can speak in English with the help of basic words, if you can speak very fluently, you look more attractive than speaking with advanced vocabulary word. So don't think about this type of myth that you need to use advanced vocabulary word. That is not important. You just need to focus on basic vocabulary word, and while you are using basic vocabulary word, it will help you to improve your confidence, and you can speak more better way, and you never feel that your mind is blank, because while you are practicing to learn basic English word, will really help you. You don't need to feel blank. You can speak English with anyone. You can talk with anyone English, because you learn so many things. That is really, really important. And I just want to tell you one more thing, that you already read the subtitles. What you have to do while you are watching any Netflix, while you are watching any movies, any English movie, you just need to read subtitle. What you have to do while you are you are looking any subtitles, you have to pause that scene and you have to read subtitles. That really help you. First you have to listen what the speaker is saying. Now you have to pause and you have to speak loud. That will really help you to improve your English speaking. That also help you to improve your pronunciation, and that is a very improvement. That is a very good technique followed by most of the English learner, and I really want to tell you that you have to follow this technique also. So just remember that these four techniques, that is really, really helpful for you, and you can learn, you can overcome your problem that you feel very blank while speaking in English, or you don't have any words because word don't come in mind. If you practice to learn these type of things, that will really help you and you can speak English very fluently. I just want to mention in this video that if you can access anything very easily, you not give importance. We are not give importance because it's our tendency. So for example, sunlight, because in India it's very hot, so we can easily find sunlight, but we never give importance because it is really easy find. If you go back to abroad where no sun came, you feel how much important the sunlight for them also, but not for us, because it is very, very easy accessible. You can find this very easy, but it is not, tell you it is not the right. First of all, just try to understand that is the same for English also. If you feel that English is very easy, you not give importance. You can give importance only those things that is really very hard to find, that is really, really very hard to catch these things. So just remember that you just need to follow that. I just want to tell you one more example. Suppose that you watch any sports person, you watch any runner, sprint runner. He is doing so much hard work. He feels so much pain. He is doing so much hard work for 20 hours, for 24 hours, and feels so much pain. Pain is the only reason he can gain when the actual competition came. Because of so much hard work he already give in the past, that is the time to achieve everything. And I just want to give you the example of Usain Bolt from Jamaica. That also help you that to understand. That's it for this video. I hope that you like my content. If you have any suggestion, please give me a comment section. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.